a peak example of the blatant misuse of false promise to marry cases. Recently, I saw a post where apparently a lady advocate says that while she was representing her husband client in divorce proceedings, was made false assurances of marriage and therefore she agreed to sexual intercourse, and now she files a false promise to marry rape case against her own client, and apparently she's filed multiple other such false promise to marry cases against other gentlemen as well. If is this not a clear glaring example of how blatant the misuse? If you think about it, a supposed advocate at the bar does not have enough maturity or understanding that she could be that what is the consequence of even saying something like this. But there we go. And this is something that we as stakeholders, as advocates, judges, police officers, we don't realize this rampant, being part of the process and thinking that what can I do about it? Or, if everyone else is doing it, let me do it as well. You must remember that this can come back and hit you as well. Similar to how an advocate friend was recently telling me how he did a little bit of small advisory legal work for this lady client who he's never met, and now she's threatening him with multiple cases, and she's being helped out by another gentleman advocate who's again not thinking that this lady can turn around in the very near future and file more cases on that new advocate as well. This is a vicious circle which has to end, and some of us have to take a stance somewhere.